Hi guys, so this video is going to be showing you all how I do my invitations for my kids. My youngest son just recently had a first birthday party, and I just wanted to share how I do his invitations because I always get compliments on the invitations, how cute they are, did I make them, etc. So these are going to be invites that I did on my iPhone that I sent by text. So I guess they're like e-bites. The ones that you can email, text, and then if you really wanted to, you could save the photo and print them out on your own type, whatever type of paper you have, and print them out and mail them as invites if you would like, versus buying your own invitations in the store, which can be pretty expensive depending on how many people you are inviting to your party. So I'm going to try to take you step by step the best I can on how I make these cheap, free invitations. So first, I start off by picking a theme, obviously, and then I go on the internet and I'll just Google invitations. So this year, my youngest son had a Paw Patrol birthday party. So I looked up Paw Patrol invitations, what they had at Party City, what people had on the internet, invitations that you could make, purchased, pretty much looking at the color scheme, the characters if you're not familiar with them, as well as the different sayings that are on them. So like for Paw Patrol, they had a lot of all pups on deck, Paw Patrol on the roll, a paw tea, things like that. So the sayings, and then I look for templates like so that are blank in the center that you can add text boxes to and type on. So I pick which one I like, and then I will save it as a photo to my phone, and that's the original. And then once I've saved it to my phone, I'll go back to it, and then I will go to like editing. So like to edit a photo on an iPhone or whatever phone you have, and then from there it'll say like adjust, and then from there you press three dots at the top, and then you can mark up and then begin typing. But shortly after I picked this template, I realized there wasn't enough room. So I continued to look for templates because that happens sometimes where there isn't enough room for as much stuff that you would like to type and put on the invitation. So I'm still searching for one that I think is big enough for me to put all the information on the picture, aka the card. So this is the one I chose for this video. So I saved the picture. There's adjust. When you go back to the photo, you press the three dots on the right side, and then it says markup. And from there, you click on, this is how it ended up. You click on the little plus button and you press text because you would like to add a text box. And then from there you type in whatever it is you want to do. All paws on deck, it's time to potty, Paw Patrol on a roll, whatever it is that you want to be like your attention grabber on your invitations. You also can change the font, as you can see below, and the color of the text as well down below. You just, once you're typing, you press the plus box, and then there are dots of different color down below. You can pick, or you actually can pick the little rainbow option, and it'll let you select from certain hues or certain shades of whatever colors. And then on the side, that's showing you can do like all your text to the left, the middle, or the right, and then the three different font sizes, the three different fonts they have, as well as you can change your font size. So this is just an example of how I do them. My invitations, I like to put something catchy, phrase at the top. Whatever the child's name is turning however old, so everyone will know how old the child is. And then there are sometimes, because you're in markup, you might accidentally write with like the little pencil, and then you can just press down and press the eraser and erase it, and then go back to adding your text boxes. You can also edit the text box, and you can also delete a text box, edit, delete, and duplicate. And then you just type in your text you would like. And then from there you can change the color, the size. I like to go by the saying, whatever how the child is, the day, the actual date, the time, and then the location. And then down below, some people RSVP. It just depends on the type of event I have. I may or may not put RSVP. And then I move the boxes to my liking up and down. However, if I think the text is too close, not close enough, if I need extra space, whatever it is, I just play around with the placement of the text boxes or the text. And then obviously I type, bring it down. As you can see, it's just like trial and error. I made my invitations for my youngest son's party this year in about 10-15 minutes. Very easy, very convenient. I saved it. I texted out to everyone. It was perfectly fine. You also can save it as a photo and send it as an attachment in an email. I mean, these days, I think the quickest way to invite people to things are text messages versus sending out invites. I don't really send out the paper invites anymore, or like the ones you have to send through the post office to mail off. I just do these. But like for my older son, who is now in kindergarten, then I will make a separate invitation for everyone by email, or I could even screenshot the or take a picture of the paper invitation. But I like to make these to text people with or email people. And then for his classmates, I will buy the paper invitations out the store and leave those with the teacher to invite the kids. So yeah, this is pretty much it. You see a little mark there I accidentally did with my finger, because you are in markup, and you can just press down below to the eraser and erase it. And then you also can save the photo. So, and then if you press auto, it goes away. So be careful with that. And eventually I am going to erase that little mark that's on there. So this is how the invitation turned out for the one that I was making for the purpose of this video. So hopefully this was helpful, kind of like a walkthrough, step by step, very easy, affordable. Everybody has a phone. If you don't have an iPhone, I'm pretty sure you can do the same thing, very similar on an Android. But a lot of people have iPhones these days, so it's very easy to do. If you need to add RSVP, I would like to put that in like not a colored text, maybe more like something red or even black. I like to do mine in black so it stands out, it's bold. And I like to be kind of strategic with the colors that I'm using as well. So I say if you have anything that's important that you want to stand out and you're using color on your invitation, then I would write the important stuff in just black font. So these are easy, free invites, because I know online sometimes they ask you to purchase invites, even to email or to text people online, but you can do them yourself. It's very easy, very simple, just like editing a photo. So this is the one that I made for you all, and then this is the template that I used for my younger son and his first birthday. And I like something that has all the characters on it, very colorful, a lot of space to type. And then this one already came with the little catchy saying up top to catch people's attention. It already came with the it's time to paw tea for Paw Patrol. And then this is what his actual invite looked like for my youngest son. So hopefully this helped you all out. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next one, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.